Here's the Westinghouse brand Roku TV. This is the 24 inches TV that is a Target purchase. So it has HDMI, Wi-Fi, 720p. It's the HX series HD Smart TV. And showing you the quick unboxing, and this is going to be a full setup. So basically you'll get the remote with the battery. So these are the stand, the TV stand that came with it, and it's packaged very well, of course, so it doesn't break on transport. Here's the small pack of the manual and the included battery for the remote, and the bottom of the TV has the speakers. It's gonna show you energy guide. And the bottom of the TV has the two little speakers there. And here's the remote that it came with. Generally, because I have the Vizio and the On TV, Roku TV, it's just gonna be the same remote. So you have to be careful around the house. If you have different brands, it will work. So it came with a battery. It's very easy to put in the battery. And on that remote, you'll have a quick Netflix button, because in general, that's what you're gonna watch. And then here's the TV stand. So the TV stand comes with the screw, of course. There's a label there at the bottom that's for right or left, but I did check those TV plastic stands. I don't see the R button, so it does not really tell you. So you'll just have to fit it. As long as it fits, that's gonna be it. So I did put it in without the screw first. So that one, it went through, it fit through. So I did the left side of the stand, and without the screw at first, just to make sure. So it's the correct side that I place it with, so that works. And then the power supply, the power cord is attached to it, because some of the smart TVs, you have to, the power cords are, you can detach it. So that one is connected. And here are the slots that are open on your Westinghouse Roku TV. You got the USB, you get the antenna, the optical for any sound bar, 3 HDMIs, a headphone, so all the connectors are there. So you don't see the RGB, like the old connectors for old gaming consoles. So that's what's lacking there. The red, yellow, and blue, it's not there. So basically, here's your here's your Westinghouse Roku TV. It looks like the other TV. So, and here's what happens as soon as you plug it in. You don't even have to turn on the remote. It's gonna turn the TV on automatically once you plug it in, and it's gonna get you to set it up right away. So it's gonna say, let's get started. You pick English, whichever language you're comfortable using. And I was just showing you quickly, there's the screw for the stand, just in case. And then you have the three options there for country: United States, Canada, and Mexico. And you can set it up for home use or for store use. So, because some of this TV needs to be in the store for demonstration, so that's why there's that option. And you click set up for home use right away. It's very fast. It actually recognizes like all the Wi-Fi that's within the area. So all you need to do is pick your Wi-Fi, and then you will get the screen to enter in your password. So while you're entering the password, you have an option to hide the password, which I did. And then surprisingly, this was it was a quick connection and quick finding that Wi-Fi availability for the Westinghouse smart Roku TV. So basically, just enter in your password. Right now, all smart TVs gonna want you to go to wireless right away before you can do anything. So unfortunately, you have to have a Wi-Fi with an internet connection. And then you hit connect, or you can show password just to make sure that your password is actually correct, and then you can hide it again. You can also click the help button if you want, but you just click connect. It's gonna quickly, depending on your internet connection. This one is the actual connecting to the Wi-Fi. I did not have to forward this, but as soon as you're connected, it's gonna check if your new TV needs a software update. Only because it's been sitting in stock for a while, and since it was manufactured, so if it's been months since the TV has been sitting, since it was manufactured, then it will need a new software update if the company has rolled out new software updates. So you will know if it's updating a new software because it's going to show you in the screen. It says updating software. And again, I'm going to leave it the actual time that it updates, so you know how many minutes you're going to spend setting up this Westinghouse Roku TV. It's going to tell you to please wait and do not turn off TV or disconnect power, because that's going to distract the download of your update, your software update. So it's still updating, and as soon as it's done updating, it's gonna just flash within a second, and it's gonna show the Roku TV logo or brand. It took a little bit. The TV is trying to take in that information that was just downloaded to its system. So again, I'm showing you the actual time frame that it gets set up, so I'm not forwarding at this part. So you just have to wait at least less than a minute. So depending on the software updates, you're gonna have to wait a little bit, and then now it's gonna show you that it's downloading, which is very fast because it already took that time. And then here's the part. So every new TV that you get, which I have observed, you cannot go on and set it up. You have to have your email address, or you're gonna activate it with a QR code. But basically, you need to enter in your information. So it's up to you if you want to enter all your information, but it needs you to have an email address. And right now I'm just showing you some, I just have to check the privacy notice, and you have that get help button as well. So if you need to browse through the notice, you can, just to see if you want to read something, but that's just part of the installation. So again, you can use the QR code, so you can scan that code and activate your Westinghouse Roku TV through your phone, or you can enter your email address instead. So I'm gonna enter my email address. I'm gonna show you how I retrieve that email from my email address through a computer. So Basically, enter in your email address and hit continue. And then the TV will give you a message to activate. Go to your email and you have to activate the TV within the next 30 minutes. So here it is. This is the email that I got. It says, just gonna tell you, activate your Roku TV and click activate device. Here's the one that I'm talking about. You will need to enter your date of birth, your information, in order to register for our Roku TV account. If you don't have one already, you do have an option to use your old email Roku login if you have other TVs. But you also have an option to choose your PIN settings. Since if you're just it's just you're using the TV, you don't have to require a PIN. But if you think that you have other people using your TV, you can enter in or create your 4-digit PIN number. So just in case, because you'll have to enter in your information, and when you have to purchase or add apps, nobody can just add it unless they have the PIN number. Or you have to have that PIN number just to protect your privacy on the TV. And here's the next part. There's no going around this part because you will have to enter a credit or debit card. This is the system is set up where, like, just so you don't have to, it makes it faster for you. So later on, if you want to download an app or subscribe to an app or a channel, you don't have to grab your debit card, you just have to enter it in. So I did try, there's no going around it. So enter your information, and once you're done, you are able to name the device. You can put whichever location you want to label it for, and then you can just agree to the Roku products terms of use. And then it's gonna have a couple questions just to let to for the TV, for the app to know what needs to be downloaded, what you watch, and like what apps do you already have logins with, so they can automatically download it in your Westinghouse Roku TV. And then it will ask for your interests, just so again it will just download it so you don't have to look for it later on. Just for an easier experience for you. And then you have an option to add all these channels. And here's what I noticed, because you're a new TV owner, and if you haven't signed up your email with Roku TV yet, you do have access to a bunch of channels, like 7-day trials. So you might want to take advantage of it. And then here is what I'm talking about. You are able to at least choose up to 4 offers of free trials, which is good. You get 7 days. Like if you feel like you want to binge watch on a TV show for that 7 days, you can try the 7-day trial, and just don't forget to cancel it after the 7th day, because again you have your credit card there, so you won't have an option to stop it. If you don't cancel, it's gonna charge you for after the 7-day trials, or whichever. If there's a 14-day trial, it's gonna charge you after the trial time frame. So after that, that's it. Your setup is complete. That's just how, like, at least 15 to 20 minutes. Right now it's running 15 minutes, so that was the actual setup that I did. So it will tell you setup complete, and after that you'll just have to run back to your TV, and here's what it shows. You will see the channel updates. That it's gonna give you an idea of how many channels, free channels, are being downloaded to your TV, and then it will add all the apps that you chose. If you did Netflix or Apple TV, HBO, or Hulu or Amazon, it's gonna download it. And then when it's done, it's gonna say, let's connect your device. So this is the part where, like, if you have game consoles or any sound bar, anything that you want to add on your TV as a device, you can set it up at the beginning, but you can skip like just what I did. And here is your Westinghouse Roku TV fully set up, which was in relation to what you chose, what program you chose, the interest you have checked. So it will actually show you all the recommended apps. That means you have those options. You have local, you have news, entertainment, TV shows. So you have a lot of option. And here's the TV menu. Just quick look for you. So you'll be able to go to the home menu, live TV, search, what to watch, and you get the settings there as well. So here it is. This is your Westinghouse Roku TV and a full setup for you. Enjoy.